Okay, so you guys, so these are the milk fridge gold. So here's the first one. One milk fridge premium, which is 170 pesos. One winter melon bubble, which is 150 pesos. Two matcha cream puff, which is 160 pesos and 320. 106 pesos each and 320 total. And one Oreo cheese milk tea, 160 pesos, and 5 more items. The alarm just rang, and we have our orders. Here's my order. This is here. My order. The Oreo milk tea. Oreo cheese milk tea as I read.
Isa lang ka.
Let's open this straw. Yummy. The milk tea tastes so good. Make sure to check out Milk Fridge Gold and visit it. So you guys, so the milk tea is so delicious and tasty. So I rate the milk tea 90 out of 10. So guys, once again, please visit this Milk Fridge Gold for the best milk tea restaurant ever in the Cove. So guys, make sure to visit that. And yeah. Okay, so you guys, we're at the milk. Guys, the milk fridge. Look at them. It's on the back. Look at it, Milk Fridge Gold.
Okay.
And let's go to the light. Wow, this is actually cool. So let's go. So guys, so this is the lamp, as you can see. For this is the cool in there. And let's go to Gab Gab. Try to visit. So guys, so that's Gab. Gab is crying for no reason. But that's Gab Gab, baby Gab. So yeah, I'm so tired running and playing with Gab last time, but we go on the milk fridge. You need to visit this out. This is our sponsor for this video is Milk Fridge. So make sure to visit the place called Milk Fridge because it's a wonderful place. And look at that wonderful restaurant. That is a wonderful restaurant, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and ring the bell button if you subscribe. So, and also shout out from the Among Us gamer. Just a few other videos. So shout out to him, and let's end the video here. Goodbye, guys.